We will be learning how to install a Laveral in this video. Document link is in description. Follow this link to install XAMPP. Ensure that you follow the video. I've already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Follow the video instructions to install XAMPP. Start the servers for Apache and MySQL. Now download the Composer from this link. Install Composer for all users. Select Developer Mode. Make sure your path is here correct or select that path checkbox. To verify the Composer's installation, open the command prompt and type Composer. It has been successfully installed here. In step 3, we will be installing Laveral. Click on this link. The documentation of Laravel is contained in this document. Copy this command. I'm going to create a Laveral project here. Open the command prompt and paste it in. In case you encounter this error, follow the video. We need to enable the PHP extension. Follow the video and remove the colon before the extension zip. Save the file. Restart the XAMPP servers. Run the command again for creating Laveral project. If you have encountered any other errors, I have resolved them at the end of this video. Here, the Laveral installation is successful. We need to go to the project directory. Type cd example app. To start the server, run this command. Take a copy of this and paste it in the browser. Laveral project has been successfully created. We can begin coding in it now. As shown in the video, open the folder and type command. Then type code to open VS Code. In here, we can start coding. This is the welcome page. In the upcoming video, we will learn how to utilize a Laveral CRUD. If you encounter any errors like this, follow the instructions given in the document. Solve it as we did with the previous one. After resolving it, proceed to step 3 to run the command again.